Got some Korean barbecue. Had it delivered from one of our old places we used to go to called Sonya. Potato salad and some brisket and beef bulgogi. Oh. Yes, of course I would love to invite her. No, I put the invite. Take two, I got her. Hi, Merengue. Yes. We'll wait for you, girl. We'll wait for you. So you can join Weber's Club. Second day of trying to get Merengue in. Let's do it. Yes, please. Yes. Let's see how this goes. So I went ahead and got her a log bench. Let's see if she will move to my island. Oh wow, I already have that outfit. Let's see what else. Alright, are you this is a moment of truth? Okay, are you gonna move here? Your stay here might win me over. Oh Lord, another visit from her before she could be my neighbor. Got these free Vessi shoes. And they claim to be waterproof, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, gonna test if this is really waterproof. Pretty solid. Doesn't go through your shoes. Nice. Shout out to McDonald's for giving us a thank you meal for healthcare workers. So I got a McGriddle, a hash brown. I even got a large hazelnut iced coffee. Yes. Thank you so much. The local Korean market and got some of my favorite Kit Kat and these beautiful rolls. It's been a rough day, but luckily I managed to get a hotel. Happy birthday to Mira and Miho. Thanks for watching. Bye.